everybody, welcome back to Eve's Stories. Thank you for joining us today. Thank you for all the subscribers. Today I'm going to showcase our 6,000 bed sitter and a 7,000 bed sitter. Enjoy the video. So this is the first bed sitter we are going to be looking at. The price of this bed sitter is 6,000 Kenyan shillings. So this 6,000 bed sitter has this space that is going to act as your kitchen. And then on this other end is your washroom. So you can see this is how the washroom looks like.
I'm used to waiting. Are you? Would you be waiting there too? I'm used to staying. Would you?
And from here you can fully see the space of your bed sitter. It's a very spacious bed sitter.
I'm used to staying. Would you?
So kitchen area.
Find you. I'm used to waiting. Are you? Would you be waiting there too? I'm used to staying. Would you? Would you be waiting?
So as we have said, this is a 6,000 bed sitter, and after this I'm going to showcase a 7,000 bed sitter.
I'm used to waiting. Are you? Would you be waiting there too?
So this one over here is the second house, which is a 7,000 shillings bed sitter. So from this end, you can see the space of the bed sitter. You can also tell why there is a difference in price. The other one is 6 and this one is 7,000. This one is more spacious and also has a separate kitchen.
I'm used to waiting. Are you?
Yes, the other one also had a separate kitchen, but you can compare between the two. This one is now more of a kitchen, not just a space.
I'm used to waiting. Are you? Would you be waiting there too? I'm used to staying. Would you? Would you be waiting?
So this is how the kitchen looks like. So in case you are interested with any of these houses, there will be a contact number on the description box. If you also want something similar, you can reach out for assistance, or in case the houses will be gone, I can still help you to look for a house. So as we are getting to the end of this video, let's just have a final look at what we have showcased. So this was the first house we looked at.
Find you. I'm used to waiting. Are you? Would you be waiting there too? I'm used to staying. Would you? Would you be waiting?
And this was the second house we looked at that is going for 7,000 Kenyan shillings.
Find you. I'm used to waiting. Are you? Would you be waiting there too? I'm used to staying. Would you? Would you be waiting?
And that is it for today's video. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, comment, and hit the subscription button. Bye bye. See you in the next video.
Find you. I'm used to waiting. Are you? Would you be waiting there too? I'm used to staying. Would you? Would you be waiting? Find you. I'm used to waiting. Are you? Would you be waiting there too? I'm used to staying. Would you? Would you be waiting? Dopamine when you send pictures. When you send pictures. Can't find you. I'm used to waiting. Are you? Would you